Okay, hi, I'm Walter Ryan, and this is my quad, YFC 450, 2006 model, and these are my pep shocks. They're not performing quite the way I would like. I think they're pretty hard. Actually, I would think they're very, very hard. Anyway, today we're going to try to set up the free sag, and we'll try to set up the rider sag, but I'm doing this on my own, so it's not going to be very accurate, to be honest, let's be honest. So, but it should give quite an indication of how the shock is and how it's performing. Temperature today is between about 12 degrees. It's quite comfortable. It's cool, but it's comfortable. I just double checked it about 20 minutes ago, so it's 12 degrees Celsius. And okay, let's go. I have the jack obviously under it, just to prop it up. Wheels are free, rubber's still touching the ground. And I've got a mark on the ground, and I'm measuring to the corner of the grab bar bolt. And first measurement is 445 millimeters. Okay, remove the jack. Okay. Okay, initially it's come down. It's now 418 millimeters. So I'll just give it a bit of a bounce and see how it goes. Okay. Now it's 368 millimeters, and now just give it a bit of a bounce just down, in case you guys want to know what it's like that way. So that's 335 millimeters. That's 335. Okay, I'm going to sit on it now. Obviously I don't have my gear on, but I have a metal plate which roughly equates to about my the weight of my gear. So let's go. Okay, before we start, it's about 345. So I'll sit on it. Neutral position. Hands on the handlebars. Obviously now, stretching forward is not ideal, but it'll certainly help give us an indication. And we have 316 millimeters. So that's 316 millimeters. About 10 mil difference maybe from the last time, is it, or something? Anyway, okay. Give a few jumps. Measure it again. That's about the same, 316 millimeters from the X on the ground. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to take the shock off. I've got it already unbolted. So, oh yeah, shock is on number 1, softest setting, and the rebound is about midway on both shocks. Obviously both of them are the same. So let's remove the shock, and we'll take some measurements of the crossovers I've got in there, and also we'll check the damping. So not something I have a lot of experience with, but guys looking at this, you should probably know. So let's see how it goes. Okay. Oh, just before I remove the shock, we'll just see how plush she is. Okay, it's on the softest setting. We just it's not bad there, I guess, but considering it's on the softest setting, I don't see it being too plush. And if I stand on it, it's still pretty hard. Okay, I'm going to change that to number 8. And we see that we got. Okay, see. It's quite hard, so obviously the damping isn't working as such, but if I stand on it again, not a lot of movement there really, is there? So let's Okay. Pretty sure you guys can see this. I'll just double check. Okay, going to remove the springs. Okay, we put the shock back to number 1. Where are we? There we go. Number 1. And let's go. Okay, shock is at number 1, fully extended, rebound still in midway, haven't touched that. Okay, on the softest setting we see what the damping is like. Okay, let's go upside down obviously. Okay, that's the majority of my weight, obviously it's not all but it's quite a lot. Okay, that's the softest setting. Rebound midway, and now I'll turn to 8, so it's the hardest stamping setting. Okay. Okay, obviously there's quite a difference. It's a lot more, all of my weight again, as much as I can get on there. I'll try that again. Okay, there we go. It's fully out again. Okay, again, rebounds midway. Damping obviously is adjustable per se. Just another thing, A-arms, how free they are, shouldn't be an issue. I mean, I think that's pretty good. Initially, when I put the shock in here, it was touching ever so slightly, and I guess, so I just took the grinder to it just down here. So it just allowed me some clearance. So that problem's been fixed, per se. The rear shock at the moment it seems quite soft. I had it set to number 5 on the damping setting. To be quite fair, I haven't played too much with it. I brought it roughly in line where I think it should be on sag. So it seems quite soft at the moment though, which is nice. It's quite plush. Let's see. I'll just bring it around. I guess there's no point now without the front of the arm on, but it's quite nice. Again, you guys looking at this, you'll probably have more of an idea. Any help or tips is great. I don't really want to have to send these all the way back to the States. So hopefully it's just something stupid. And maybe I'm missing something, I don't know. Okay, cheers guys.